place embeds and to generate accurate rod lengths, eVolve Mechanical has a tool called rod adjustments, and here's how it works. So first thing you're going to do is click on rod adjustments, and eVolve's going to prompt you to select the hangers that you want to place embeds on. So I've got this run of chilled water supply and return that is on these unistrut racks, and they're running a 1/2 inch rod. So I'm gonna click on each hanger that I want to have embeds, and once I'm complete, I'm gonna hit finish. The next thing that's gonna pop up is the user rod adjustments dialog. Here I've got some options as to what I want to do. I can either extend into structure or extend into reference plane. In this case, I have this slab here that I want to place my embeds in, so I'm just going to extend it into the structure. Next, underneath the options, I've got 3 checkboxes: embed depth, rounding, and upper attachment. The embed depth extends the rod to allow for the extra length when the field goes to fasten it in. The rounding rounds to the nearest number, and this upper attachment actually models in a embed. In this case, I don't want to round, I just want to embed depth and upper attachment. And over here for my rod extension, I'm going to choose what type of fastener it's going to go into. In this case, I'm going into a deck, so I'm going to choose just this first blue banger option. If you've got different rod types, you can set different structural inserts for each of those rod types, should you choose. You also have the option to choose a beam clamp if you're not going into a concrete deck, but you're attaching to structural steel. But I just have 1/2 inch rods, so I'm going to leave it that way. I'm going to hit OK, and eVolve's going to begin processing the embeds. And you can see them actually populate as eVolve goes. So if we zoom in, you'll see that I've got a 1/2 inch embed. It actually places the banger in so I can do a bomb or take off on it. It gives us a little clearance zone to make sure that we have enough space. And it's got some annotation letting us know what size it is.